Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by making the hardware and environment ready. Update your Quest 3 and apps so mixed reality features are available. This avoids software conflicts. Next, clear a 2-3 meter play area free of cables and fragile objects so you can move safely while viewing real-world overlays. Once done, charge the headset above 50% and enable pass-through mixed reality in settings. This gives you a stable camera feed and prevents interruptions mid-session. Now you're ready to enter the app that supports mixed reality. You'll now configure the software specifics that control what you see and how it tracks. First, enable mixed reality or pass-through in the headset settings and grant camera permissions. Without this, the feed won't stream. Then calibrate your Guardian and set floor height so virtual objects sit at correct scale and do not clip through the floor. Make sure the camera alignment matches your IPD and headset position. Finally, open the Mr. Capable app and choose camera composition or chroma settings to match real lighting and improve blending. You're ready to play. Launch the mixed reality experience and use your hands or controllers to place and interact with virtual objects. This is how you anchor content in the real room. Make on-the-fly adjustments to brightness, chroma key, and depth, merge so virtual elements blend with actual lighting and distance. If tracking jitters or pass-through looks offset, restart the headset, recalibrate the Guardian, and rerun camera alignment. This typically fixes drift. If problems persist, update the app and reboot your Wi-Fi or PC link if used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.